Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at 5 basic tools that you can use to make a realistic portrait. These 5 things you can find in basically any household. So what are the tools that you need to start this portrait? The first thing is a paper. This paper can be printer paper or it could be a sketchbook paper like what I have here. The second thing that you'll need is a pencil, and for this demonstration I'm going to be using just a basic HB pencil that you can probably find in your junk drawer. Another important tool you need is a pencil sharpener because it's very important when you're drawing portraits that you keep your pencil very sharp. The fourth thing you need is an eraser. I forgot to grab like a typical square eraser, so in this instance I am using a mono eraser, which is actually something really good to have when you are drawing portraits. And the fifth and final tool that you need to draw a realistic portrait is some kind of smudging tool. So in this instance, I have just a basic cotton rag that I took from an old t-shirt. I also like to use a makeup brush. And there we go. Those are the 5 tools that you need to create a realistic portrait. And they don't have to be fancy. They don't have to be like anything really big, anything very expensive. You don't really... Eventually you can move into those things if you choose to, but you can do it with just these basic tools. And I'll just show you a quick time lapse on how I use these tools. So now that I have the basic values down and the facial features are looking like facial features and kind of realistic instead of just a sketch, I'm going to go ahead and go in and brighten up the highlights or darken any of the values that need to be darkened. And that is it for this quick tutorial on what tools you can use to create a realistic portrait. If you're interested in more detailed tutorial on how I draw portraits and more detail on how I use these tools, I can do that in the future. I'm looking forward to making more videos for you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!